Do you want to secure your financial future? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? A question that leads one to ponder the myriad ways in which one can steer their financial ship towards the safe harbor of financial freedom. Today, we delve into 5 smart money moves, personal finance tips that can help secure your future. Our first tip is to live below your means. It's a simple concept, yet one that holds immense power. By spending less than what you earn, you create the opportunity for savings. And savings, as they grow, become a formidable shield against financial uncertainties. Now moving on to tip number 2. Eliminate debt. Debt is like a leech, sucking away your hard-earned money in the form of interest. By focusing on eliminating debt, you free up more of your income. This extra money can then be channeled towards investments, savings, or other financial goals. Tip number 3 is invest wisely. Investing is not just about making more money, it's about making your money work for you. It's the art of creating multiple income streams, a safety net for when times get tough. Our fourth tip is to build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. An emergency fund acts as a financial buffer, a safety net that can catch you when life throws a curveball. Finally, tip number 5, plan for retirement. It's never too early to start thinking about retirement. By planning early, you give your money more time to grow, ensuring a comfortable and secure retirement. To summarize, securing your financial future involves living below your means, eliminating debt, investing wisely, building an emergency fund, and planning for retirement. These are not just tips, but stepping stones to a secure financial future. They empower you, giving you control over your money and by extension your life. Remember, the path to financial freedom is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes patience, discipline, and a dash of financial wisdom. But with these 5 tips in your arsenal, you are well equipped to embark on this journey. So take control, make smart money moves, and secure your financial future. Because the future is not just something you experience, it's something you create.